An oil-drenched seabird. An oil-drenched seabird is what she felt like, is what the morning felt like, made up of the froth and filth of an oil spill, of unbearable anger erupting in flames on the tarmac of the road and in the sea, inside the pages of the book she was reading and in the room she was reading, of an office fight, enlarged, enhanced, engulfing others, needlessly dragging others, framing the innocent, the naive, killing people, leaving birds unable to fly, maiming them, maiming my voice, my wings, chopping all skies around. So my friends, this is not just a poem about the oil spill or the environment, it's a poem about friction at work that becomes sometimes very violent. And violent does not always mean and translate into gun violence or stabbing and stuff like that, but it could be very blue-collared and white-collared, mental violence, psychological, emotional, like discrimination is practiced in such fine colors and shades that it's hard to describe. So that's what it says. I hope you like the poem and my reading. Thank you so much.